Just look at these stunning, ultra-high-resolution AI-generated images. And guess what? You don't need expensive tools or subscriptions to make them. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step-by-step how to create professional photorealistic images like these completely free using Imagen4. Stick around, because once you see how easy this is, you'll never waste money on image tools again. Go to Google and search for Google Cloud Skills Boost. Log in with your Google account. Then fill in your details: day, month, and year. Next, click on the CAPTCHA and select I accept. After joining, log in again, give access to your Google account, and then hit Continue. After this, search in the search bar for generative AI. Then select Generative AI with Vertex AI Prompt Design, which has a 45-minute session time limit. At the bottom of the lab setup instructions and requirements, click on the Start Lab button. After that, your countdown begins for 45 seconds. Then right-click on Open Google Cloud Console and copy the link address. Next, click on the three dots and select the Incognito tab. This is necessary to prevent your class session from expiring. After that, paste the link in the search bar that you copied before. Then select I understand. Next, select the country. Remember, always choose United States because it is free only for the US region. Scroll down, select it, then click on Terms and Conditions and accept it. After that, select Vertex AI and look for Vertex AI Studio. After scrolling, select Vertex AI Studio and wait until the page finishes loading. On the left-hand side, click on the Generate Media button, and then click on the Image Generate button. Now select the aspect ratio and the image generator model. Then select the output resolution. I am choosing 2K resolution. After that, I'll give the prompt and wait for the results. Here it has generated high-quality images completely free. I'll download them now, one by one.
And here are the final results. High-quality images generated for free.
The Google Cloud Platform offers not just this, but multiple other powerful tools you can explore. If you want to learn how to use all of them step by step, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more latest techniques on using free tools effectively.